What if I told you there's a motorcycle that combines classic styling with bold attitude, is incredibly easy to ride, and is perfect for both beginners and experienced riders? Meet the Honda Rebel 300. This cruiser features an iconic minimalist design, a relaxed riding position, and a low seat height that gives riders confidence from the very first ride. Beneath its clean and simple appearance, the Honda Rebel 300 is powered by a smooth and fuel-efficient 286 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. It's ideal for daily commuting, laid-back weekend touring, or simply cruising through the city in style. On top of that, LED lighting, a modern digital instrument display, and its lightweight chassis make the Rebel 300 one of the most beginner-friendly cruisers in its class. But here's the big question. Does the Honda Rebel 300 truly deserve to be called one of the best cruisers in its segment? Watch the full video in the next part to find out.